Hi friends, welcome to new video. In this video I am going to show a special unique concept. Open Picsart, tap on this plus icon and you have to add this spikes triangle and open it like this in the Picsart. Now go to draw and you have to arrange like this and tap on this first layer and make this first layer to the white color. Now swap to the down. Now take another empty layer. Now friends, remember when you are editing this photo, make sure you already cut your model image by using the cutout tool in the Picsart. Now go to add photo and go to stickers and go to my stickers cutout and add your model image. Now decrease the opacity. Now arrange your model image perfectly in this position. Okay, make sure it is filling the spikes. Okay, like this. Now it is perfect. Now tap on screen and make a copy. Now come to the second layer and make the second layer to the screen and go to first layer and go to eraser, set and go to shapes, make this to the square, make it fill. Now simply erase. Okay, again confirm. Okay, now you have to erase this extra portions. Now go to layers and increase the opacity. Now first part is completed. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to go to effects. In this effects you have to go to artistic and go to oil painting and keep this around this amount to like this. Now by using this eraser you have to erase on the model image and some inside parts. Okay, done. Now tap on tick. Now again go to effects. Now in this effects you have to go to effects and you have to search for the Lomo. Friends, here is the Lomo. Now decrease the amount and fade a little bit like this. Now tap on tick. Now you have to add the PNGs one by one. For I will use this PNGs link in the description. Now go to add photo and select the PNG. Friends, this is the first PNG. Now simply rotate it to the vertical and you have to start arrange it perfectly. First PNG I am going to arrange like this. Okay, now tap on it. Now second you have to go to add photo and select the two PNGs. Okay, arrange it here like this. Now arrange this bad boy PNG perfectly down here. Okay, now take this frame PNG and arrange perfectly in this position. Okay, now tap on it. Friends, finally our special concept photo editing tutorial is completed. Please consider like and subscribe and share to your friends. Now go to draw, tap on these three dots and save this image. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.